Established in 2001, Jinjiang Shenggong Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is located in Jinjiang, Quanzhou City of Fujian Province in China. We focus on the research and development of manufacturing automatic sawmill line, round log multi-ripsaw, plank multi-ripsaw, ripsaw for sapwood, trimming ripsaw for edge board, wood cutting off-saw and other woodworking machines. And particularly, we are one of the national woodworking standard calibration units for multi-ripsaw in China. Up to now, we have owned many invention patterns and dozens of new technology patterns. Our high-quality products are inseparable from advanced processing technology, and our company is equipped with several Chinese machining centers, laser cutting machines, bending and other advanced equipment to pay attention to solve all kinds of sawmill machine problems. At present, our products are distributed to 60 countries and regions all over the world. We dedicate to provide the most innovative sawmill solutions and the most sincere and in-time after-sale services, with the belief all for user, as well as 21 years experience in sawmill line. We stick to enlarge our investment in R&D and update continuously to meet customers' requirements. We not only provide to solve unique needs of customers, but also create the max value for customer. Review the past and look forward the future. We warmly welcome customers to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.